Alright guys, if you're working on a 2013 Dodge Ram with a 3.6 liter engine, computer is right here in the engine bay. If this happens to you where these things come off, this is how you get them out. So you want to hold firmly like this, go to one of the side of the picks, pull down, go to the other side, pull down, and you want to keep on doing that just like that until it goes down far enough where it's going to come out. Just like that. There you go. It's almost out. Push down some more. And there you go. I'm going to do the other one. Here, push down, and make sure you're pulling because it won't go down more unless you pull it out as you push these down. Just a little tip for you guys if you're replacing these and these connectors are always broken. That's how you do it. There you go. That's how you get them out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.